Right now, everyone is talking about AI agents, tools that can plan, think, and execute tasks for you. But there's a big problem. Most of them either break easily or require a complex setup or worse, or they are not secure enough for real work. So the real question is, can AI agents actually run your business workflows safely and 24/7? Well, today I'm testing something that claims exactly that. This is called PokeeClaw. This is an AI agent that doesn't just chat, it actually does the work for you. We are talking about sending emails, updating Slack, managing projects, analyzing data, even running automations across applications. And the biggest claim that this AI agent has is zero setup and enterprise level security. So in this video, I'm going to test it with the real workflows and show you how it actually works and see if this is finally the AI agent that is usable in real life. By the way, this whole trend of autonomous AI agent was started by OpenClaw, which is a great tool, but it comes with a lot of problems, starting with complicated setups running things locally, then security risks. You basically expose your personal data, private data in front of these autonomous AI agents, and of course API key headaches as well. It can expose your API keys publicly. And if you're running a business, you can't afford unstable or insecure systems. So PokeeClaw takes a completely different approach. Instead of running things locally, it runs inside a secure sandbox environment, which means your data is isolated, your credentials are encrypted, and every actions can be controlled and approved. So instead of a risky AI agent, you get something that's actually enterprise ready. And the best part, you don't need to set up anything. No local machines, no complex configurations, no API wiring. Just describe what you want and it handles the rest. Now enough talk, and let's just test this AI agent with a real workflow. So first of all, just go to pokee.ai, POKEE.ai, or just click on the link in description. And after that, you can simply just sign up, click on this try now button, and then you can just sign up using your Google account. Once you're signed up, this is the dashboard that you'll see. And here you don't need to set up anything. All you need to do is simply just click on this launch PokeeClaw. Simply just click on that and it will basically launch the PokeeClaw AI agent for you directly. You don't need to use any sort of servers. Everything is running right here on this website. So I want to use PokeeClaw to manage my inbound leads automatically. So I'm just giving it this prompt, which is manage my inbound leads automatically, pull new leads from Gmail, add them to monday.com, then score hot leads, then schedule follow-ups, and send intro emails and update pipelines daily. So this is exactly what I want PokeeClaw to do, because this is a multi-step task. It involves using different tools, and also this particular use case is going to save me a lot of time in my day-to-day work. So I'm just going to give it this prompt, and now PokeeClaw is going to analyze this task, and then it will ask me to connect any of the tools that I have mentioned in here. That includes Gmail, and that also includes monday.com. There you go. You can see Pokey has already started executing this task. And first of all, it is going to ask some questions from us. The first question is, what Gmail label or search criterion identifies inbound leads? For example, email from a contact form, or maybe subject contains inquiry or specific label. So you can just mention anything that actually identifies that particular email. And after that, it is asking for what monday.com board should leads be added to and what columns does it have. So first of all, let's just choose this particular answer, which is a specific label that will include leads or inbound. And secondly, regarding the monday.com board, we can just click on the create a new, and then how should leads be stored as a hot. So you can just name it as a company size plus role. And then another question is, when should the daily pipeline update run? So I think every morning, I think at 9 a.m. So let's just click on submit, and now it is just going to update that. And next, it wants me to connect to monday.com. So I can simply just click on this connect with monday.com. Again, now it is asking me to connect to my Gmail account. So I'll simply just click on this, but I won't show you my email. So simply just log into your email account, the same email account where you mostly receive your leads. So you can simply just connect your email account in here. Now you need to give it access to see, edit, create, or change your email settings and filters in the email, and then also read, compose, and send emails from your Gmail account. So simply just click on this select all, and then you can simply just click on continue, and then you can see the email will be connected in here, and now it will just proceed. Now you can see it is further executing this task. First of all, it is creating this Gmail label for tracking processed leads and run the pipeline for the first time. So you can see it now, it is showing that Gmail label lead processed created. So let me just quickly open my Gmail, and there you go. You can see in here at bottom, it has just created this label which is lead processed. So it will just shortlist all of the emails in here in this lead processed label. So it will just label any of the emails with this particular label. So whenever you want to access all of the emails with this particular label, you can simply just click on this and then access all of these emails. Right now you can see there are no emails, but we'll just send a test email as well to make sure that it is working. Now, as we mentioned in the beginning, when PokeeClaw asked us, we mentioned that please run the Gmail scan every morning at 9 a.m. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to send a sample email just to check that if it actually scans any of our new emails or not. So this is the email that I'm going to send, and then I'm just going to ask PokeeClaw to quickly scan it rather than just like waiting until 9 a.m. So let me just quickly ask it, please scan for any new leads related emails, and I can simply just send this email. Now I can just ask it to scan. Okay, so you can see we have got these two new emails. Both of these emails I just sent, like one was 0 minutes ago and another one was like literally 3 minutes ago. So it has already labeled these emails as lead processed. So this is a lead processed label. So you can see it has already labeled these emails as lead processed. It has just run another scan and it has found 10 new emails which matched with lead keyword. So you can see it has just retrieved all of these emails in here, and even it gave a verdict on each of these emails as well. So you can see most of these emails it has mentioned as marketing, and just one is potential lead, which is from this particular guy. So now it can just like respond to those emails and then add them into our CRM. By the way, you can use any other CRM. If you don't want to use monday.com, you can use Jira, ClickUp, or any other CRM. So basically you are free to use whatever tool you want. Now let's talk about the things that actually makes this different. The number one thing is security, and this is probably the biggest advantage that PokeeClaw has, because it has encrypted credentials vault, it has sandboxed execution, approval workflows, role-based access control, full audit logs. So basically nothing runs without control. Second thing is zero setup. Most agents require technical setup, but PokeeClaw just doesn't. You can see we just opened PokeeClaw and then we started using it right away, and we did not have to run it on a separate Mac Studio. You can just go to pokey.ai and start using it instantly. The third thing is long context memory. It does not forget after one task. It builds the context over time. The fourth thing is lower token usage, which is efficiency. This AI agent consumes 70% less tokens than tools like OpenClaw, which means it is cheaper, more efficient, and better for scaling. Now let's say I want to research trending AI topics, I want to generate content, schedule posts, and send updates to my team. Normally this would take Google Docs, Notion, Slack, scheduling tools, but here I can just tell PokeeClaw to research trending AI topics, create a summary, post it on X, and notify my Slack channel. So this task basically involves multi-step workflow that includes first of all the research, then creating the summary, then posting the post on X, and then notifying the Slack channel. So I can simply just press enter. By the way, I have not connected the Slack channels yet. I have not connected my X account yet. So let's just see how PokeeClaw actually responds to this task. So first of all, you can see it is preparing itself for this task, and it is running these different commands to basically execute this task. Right now you can see it is researching trending AI topics using web search. So it is using the built-in web search functionality to look for all of the trending AI topics. Let's just wait for it to finish its research, and then we'll see, as soon as the research is complete, we'll see what steps it takes next. So apparently the research is complete, and right now what it is doing, it is basically crafting the X post and preparing the Slack message. So you can see it has launched this PokeeTwitter, which is basically a built-in tool inside PokeeClaw, and basically drafting the X post, and now it wants my approval to post this on X. So I can simply just click on this approve all session, and now it is asking us yes, approve all. I can simply just click on approve all, and now what I need to do, I need to simply just connect my X, and then it can directly post it on my X. So I can simply just click on connect with X, and then I can just log into my X account. So I have just logged into X, and somehow it has not triggered the login yet. Let me just click on continue with X again, and let me just log in again. I'll simply just click on authorize app, and now it will start posting all of these posts on my X. So that post has been posted on X. Now it wants me to connect to Slack to notify my team. So that is amazing. I just need to log into my Slack, and then it will just notify my team. And right now you can see it has just posted this 52 seconds ago, and this is the post that it has posted, which is OpenAI ships GPT 5.4, better coding, a few refusals, and raise a record $122 billion. Google Gemini 3.1 Pro. So this is basically all the latest trends inside AI. So this post is already live on X. Now I can just like ask you to maybe post with different intervals, maybe like post every 1 hour, every 30 minutes, or just like post entire day, just like Donald Trump. So it will just keep posting all of the latest updates on my X account without me even asking for anything, without me even interacting with it. I can track all of the posts, I can approve the kind of post that it can post, but basically it will be working as your autonomous AI agent, which is now fully guided to complete this task. The most interesting part is it remembers the context over time. So the more you use it, the better it understands your workflow. And this is where things get really, really powerful, because PokeeClaw doesn't just work in one app, it works across the thousands of different tools. For example, Gmail to send emails, Slack to post updates, and Google Sheets to update data, Notion to manage documents, and GitHub to track issues. And it does all of this with one single agent, not multiple disconnected tools. Now let's talk about what actually makes this different. Number one is security. You can even build your own workflows inside PokeeClaw. You can also see the apps that works with Poke. You can see you can use Instagram, you can use Facebook, X, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, Reddit, Slack, Gmail. So all of these different applications, third-party applications, you can directly connect with PokeeClaw, and then you can build your own custom workflows. I don't think after this kind of AI agent, you need to hire any like virtual assistant or anyone to help you with any of these tasks, because it can manage your social media posting, it can respond to your Gmail, it can work with all of these different project management tools, and also you can use it more complicated tasks, something like e-commerce reviews, something like data analyst, something like large language models, and also to create charts and visualizations. It can use all of these third-party services to basically handle everything for your business. There is this e-commerce agent as well. This is basically Poke AI e-commerce strategy agent. You can use this as well if you're running an e-commerce business. Also, you can handle all of the authentications in here. I can connect all of these different third-party applications and give basically access to PokeeClaw to all of these different third-party tools. Honestly, this is going to make my life very easy. Now imagine this, you can set things like daily reports, weekly summaries, automated emails, and content pipelines. And it runs 24/7 without you touching anything. You can even create reusable workflows. So instead of repeating tasks, you just trigger them instantly. This is not just for developers, this is for founders, solo entrepreneurs, e-commerce sellers, agencies, and anyone running operations. Basically anyone who wants to replace the repetitive work with automation. Right now we are moving from AI tools to AI agents, from assistance to execution, and tools like this are pushing that shift forward. Is it perfect? Not yet, but this is probably one of the closest things I have ever seen to a real AI employee. If you want to try PokeeClaw, I will leave a link in description. And honestly, I'm curious, would you trust an AI agent to run parts of your workflow? Let me know in the comment section, and I will see you next video. Bye bye.